Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make red bean and glutinous rice ball soup. This soup is very tasty and it will warm up this winter. So now let's start. We first need to soak some red beans for one night. This is the soaked red beans. They are softer now and easier to cook. Prepare a pot and put the red beans into it. Add some water. Use big fire to cook until it boils. Then switch to small fire. Cover it and cook for 1 hour. Prepare a big bowl and add some glutinous rice flour into it. Add some sugar and some water. Mix well and make it into a nice dough. Now make some small balls like this. Prepare a pot and boil some water. When the water boils, put the glutinous rice balls into it. When the balls start to float on the surface of the water, take some out from the pot. Put them into the red bean soup. Add some sugar, mix well, and it is ready. This soup is very healthy and tasty. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.